I'm headed to a convenient location in the Hot South Loop, just steps from the CTA stop at Cermak, and a short walk from the Wintrust Arena, McCormick Place, and Chinatown for a walk through one of the apartments at the new Aspire Tower. I'm looking at the living dining area of apartment 1807, a southeast corner, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, with 3 exposures. Heading for a view east over the Wintrust Arena and McCormick Place toward Lake Michigan. Panning around to the south for a view that takes you down to Hyde Park. Be even better when the sun shines. And heading around toward a wind wall window, looks out to the west over the CTA station at Cermak. Short half block from here. What a fabulous room this is. Brushed concrete ceilings, exposed ductwork and piping give you a loft aesthetic. You have lawn plank flooring that extends throughout the apartment and expands the feeling of space. Kitchen has track lighting, natural stone counters. It's a wide undermount sink and a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. Stainless steel appliance package includes a built-in microwave, dishwasher, 4-burner electric range, contrasting upper and lower cabinetry in white and chocolate, and for counterpoint, a gray tile backsplash. Very appealing aesthetic. Looking toward the primary main master bedroom, there's a full-size stacked washer dryer. Looking toward the entryway, but really being drawn back for a look at these great windows, including a floor-to-ceiling window in the kitchen. Roller blinds throughout the apartment. Looking at the foyer, wide enough for a hall console table. Guest bath. There's a walk-in shower with a frameless glass door. Wide vanity with a bank of drawers for storage. Natural stone counter that matches what you saw in the kitchen. Second bedroom, more spacious than you're going to find in many second bedrooms in downtown Chicago. Again, floor-to-ceiling windows. And the closet, and next to it a nook that would be ideal for a home office if you wanted to use it that way. Heading back toward the master bedroom, primary bedroom. Floor-to-ceiling windows again. Walk through the closet, shelving and hanging space on both sides. A wide vanity, again the natural stone, and again a walk-in shower with a frameless glass door. Looking east toward the sunrise as I head back toward the living area. This unit is starting to flood with light as the sun starts coming out, and facing south and west it's going to have light throughout the day. Very convenient location at Aspire, a really extensive suite of amenities, wide variety of apartment layouts. Put it on your must-see list. Head to Aspire's website for near real-time rent and availability info.